Bmore Lifestyle. Now, here are your hosts, Brandy Proctor and Candace Dole.
Well, happy Monday. Welcome to the show, everybody. We hope you had a wonderful weekend.
We have a lot of great information for you today, and we're starting off with some misconceptions for our homeowners.
This segment sponsored by Deizshel Setzer, the mortgage queen.
There are many myths surrounding the government-backed VA loan program for our veterans, but today we're getting a closer look.
That's right. The mortgage queen, Deizshel Setzer, is back to help make sense of what you may or may not know about this program. So, how are you?
I'm absolutely wonderful. Thanks for having me.
Of course.
So first, let's talk about credit scores for veterans. Does that make a difference?
Well, veterans are a unique program. Credit scores is not really a barrier for them. Because here's what happens. Veterans, the loans are backed by the federal government. So where most of the time you need a 620 credit score, veterans can go as low as 540 on a credit score basis and actually be able to buy a home with just $1,500. I can't say it any more than that. I mean, people call me up and they go, there's got to be a hoax. The hoax is that you don't know about the program. And this is why I'm here today, so you can tell your family members and friends. And when we talk about veterans, it's just not exclusive to those who are actively serving. It's for those who are retired. It's even for those who were married at some point in time and their spouse is now deceased, so we call them surviving spouses. They're eligible to take advantage of the program as well.
Wow. Do VA loans have higher interest rates?
No. As a matter of fact, VA loans are usually a quarter point lower than every loan program out there. So if you say the rates today are 4.75, so a VA would be 4.5. Their rates are always going to be the lowest possible rates. And to get this is the best thing about the VA program in the rate is that they do not pay any mortgage insurance. All loans have mortgage insurance. With the VA rate, you're saving automatically on the price of your house a minimum of $200 because you do not pay that mortgage insurance with the VA rate.
Now, is it a myth that most veterans won't qualify for those VA loans?
It is. It is. You just have to have an honorable discharge, and you have to be able to afford the mortgage payment.
Tell us about the myth with surrounding the VA occupancy rule.
Okay. Well, what they try to say to people is that you're only allowed to have one VA loan for primary residence. But let's say, for example, that your family grow and you want to upsize the house. Then you can apply for another VA loan because you're applying for a larger property. You can't go downsize, but you can upsize. You can also purchase property in a different state. I tell people all the time, a lot of people are sending their kids off to college in different states. So it may be to their advantage to have a primary home here in Maryland and open up another home, have another home in another state. You could use your VA loan program in order to help you do that.
Okay. So for more information, for people who are just, overwhelmed, they don't know, where can we find you and how can we sit down with you and learn more about this?
Exactly. What you want to do is you want to give me a call, 443-929-7772, 443-929-7772. You can text me, shoot me an email at mymortgagequeen1@gmail.com. More importantly, take action. Because unless you do something to make yourself motivated to own a home, it's not a dream. If you're a veteran and you're listening to the sound of my voice, you need to understand that I want you to own a home. You only need $1,500, regardless of what your credit score is. I will work with you to make that dream into a reality.
It's wonderful information.
Thank you so much for being here with us. Truly are the mortgage queen.
Thank you.